Welcome to the Blender Python for Artists course. I'm Victor Stepanov, and I love helping artists learn the Python programming language. Now, the main goal of this course is to make that dream of writing Python scripts and add-ons a reality as fast as possible. But you might ask, Victor, why would I want to do that? Well, I'm glad you asked. Maybe you want to take up a more technical role and from an artist become a tech artist. Or you want to add another skill to your resume and get better job opportunities. Maybe you want to create add-ons and sell them. Or you want to create extensions and share them with the community. Maybe you have a repetitive task that is slowing you down and you want to improve your workflows by creating your own tools. Or maybe you just like to learn new things. Whatever your goal might be, I would love to help you achieve it. I have a YouTube channel where I have been creating Blender Python tutorials for years, and over those years I have learned what works and what doesn't, and now with all that wisdom I want to pack that into this course and help you achieve your goals. But one thing I want to underline here is that this course is just the beginning of your journey. You would need to practice and do exercises to really hone your skills and achieve your goals. One thing that I want you to do is take massive action. Don't just watch these videos in this course. Pause the videos and do the things that I'm doing on your own computer to make sure you understand how things work. Type out all the code and see what works and what doesn't. One of the core pillars of this community is that there are no dumb questions. There are just bad explanations. And in this community, we're going to be searching for those good explanations. So if you have something that is not clear, please don't hesitate to ask. I really would love to hear what's not making sense and find something that will make sense for you. Let's take a look at the table of contents for this particular part of the course. First, we're going to start off by making sure our dev environment is set up and we're ready to write those Python scripts. Next, we're going to learn how to represent data and information in Python. After we have learned that, we're going to learn how to organize that data so we can use that in our scripts. Next, we're going to be learning how to repeat actions so you don't have to copy around code over and over again to achieve what you want. Some parts of your code you would want to run only if a particular condition occurs. And that's what we're going to learn in the next part. And finally, we'll be learning how to organize our code so we can reuse it across all our scripts. Over the course of this course, we're going to be learning mental models and understanding how Python works. This course is 100% free and targeted at artists who don't have any prior knowledge about Python or programming. So if this sounds like something that you'll be interested in, the link to this course is right in the description, and I hope to see you in the community.